fun-filled day of play outside and are now heading back to their barns for some rest. But hey, they're all headed in one direction. Oh no, I think they are confused. Can you help them get back to their barns? Let's see. Is there a quick way to get them back to their barns?
Every animal here has a number.
And every barn has a number. Let's try to match the barn to the animals. The horse is number 1. This is number 1. This barn is number 1, same as the horse. Horsey, get into your barn. So what comes after number 1? It is number 2. Our cow has the number 2. Now let's find a barn with number 2. This is barn number 2. And that's our cow with number 2 on it. There, the cow has reached the right barn. Let's find the next animal. The next animal is the goat. The goat has number 3 on it. Now let's send our goat to barn number 3. This is barn number 3. And our goat has number 3 written on it. So, our goat is in the correct barn. Our piggy has number 4 written on it. Let's send our piggy back to barn number 4. Our piggy is now in barn number 4. Our sheep is number 5. See, number 5 is written on the sheep. So, we should take the sheep back to barn number 5. Our sheep is now back into barn number 5. Baa! Okay, who's next? Oh look! Our hen seems to have found its way to its correct barn. The hen has the number 6 on it and the barn has the number 6 on it. Now let's check again. The horse is number 1 and in barn number 1. The cow is number 2 and in barn number 2. The goat is number 3 and in barn number 3. Little piggy is number 4 and in barn number 4. Our sheep is number 5 and in barn number 5. And finally, little hen is number 6 and in barn number 6. Everybody is back into the barn and getting some rest. And we learned some numbers today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Well done! That's all for this video. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye-bye.